Mariner GT. It adopts the Mariner design concept, featuring anti-rust components, making it ideal for humid environments and perfect for storage on boats. Featuring 10-speed gear, Mariner GT offers more agile controls. Take it for relaxing island vacations and scenic rides with ease. The classic K-frame offers ergonomic geometry for enhanced comfort while riding. Crafted with argon arc welding for aesthetically pleasing welds, the frame's main tube uses a specially shaped profile, providing excellent strength and stability. Made from lightweight aviation-grade aluminum, the sturdy frame structure ensures a stable and solid ride. Equipped with a multifunctional rear rack that is stable and reliable, easy to install or remove. It's perfect for carrying toolkits, storage bags, or even infants and pets. The frame and fork are designed with disc brakes for better performance. The fork's dropout angle is carefully adjusted to improve compatibility with the front hub, ensuring better stability and enhanced overall safety. Dahon's Dahon V technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. DELTECH. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the DELTECH system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. BA hinge. The four-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. 10-speed Shimano system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. The 53T chainring paired with an 1132T cassette provides smooth, powerful pedaling, ensuring a comfortable and efficient ride. Designed by Dahon, the wheels are smooth, durable, and capable of withstanding high tire pressure, providing stability and comfort even during sudden braking. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahon has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahon folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahon means choosing trust and quality. With Dahon's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.